Looking for a quick getaway near Bangalore? The Birds of Paradise Foundation is a great spot to explore when you're short on time but want a refreshing escape. Tucked just 8 kilometers from the Kanakpura Nice Road junction, this hidden escape feels miles away from the city's chaos. Yet, it's only a 25-minute drive from Bangalore. Close enough to reach, far enough to breathe. Visits here are by advance booking only, made online at birdsofparadisefarm.com. Walk-ins aren't allowed as the sanctuary follows a strict pre-booking policy to ensure a peaceful, curated experience for every guest. The farm welcomes visitors 6 days a week, remaining closed on Tuesdays for maintenance. Entry is priced at 250 rupees per person for ages 3 and above, exclusive of taxes. Everything you need to know, time slots, visit details, adventure activities, and more is available on the official website. Plan your visit and book your experience directly online. At the entrance, the farm offers ample parking space, comfortably accommodating 25 to 30 vehicles. This makes your arrival and departure smooth and hassle-free. Visitors to the Bird of Paradise farm can expect a thoughtfully curated experience. The farm offers guided educational tours lasting around 2 hours, where guests are introduced to a variety of birds and animals which are designed to inspire learning and meaningful interaction. There are also interactive experiences allowing guests to observe, feed, and engage with the animals while gaining insights into their behavior and habitats. The farm operates between 10:30 a.m. and 4 p.m., which is the last entry allowed at 4 p.m. This ensures plenty of time to enjoy which the farm has to offer. For those seeking a longer escape, the farm provides day and overnight container stay options. This accommodates 2 adults and 1 child, making it a perfect, peaceful retreat in nature. It's a place where families, nature lovers, and curious minds alike can connect with the animal world in a unique and memorable way.
So before getting on to those animals, here is a small introduction about this animal. Okay, so guys, myself Agastwa, I come from Bangalore. I am a filmmaker by profession and I've been handling and rescuing animals since 2016. So yes, that's my small introduction. You can know more on Instagram. This is called goose. Okay, so I'll tell you the difference between a duck and a goose now. Okay, both duck and goose are migratory birds. You know what is a migratory bird, is it? Migration andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? They travel from one place to another place in search of food, water, the climate, and the companionship. Exactly the same way the duck and the goose both are the migratory birds. Can you see the duck and the goose, the difference between them, the size? Okay, so gooses are much larger than compared to our ducks. And like I told you, ducks can go inside the water and catch a fish. While the goose can't do that. That's why they have a long neck. You see the long neck?
At the Birds of Paradise farm, you will encounter an incredible range of species from across the globe. From majestic birds like the black swan cayuga ducks, to vibrant parrots including the blue and gold macaw, African grey parrot, the farm is a haven for bird lovers. There are also pheasants, poultry varieties, and exotic ducks such as the Muscovy and Chinese goose.
Okay, so guys, this is called a silky hen. Yeah, they come from China and they use sunsilk stuff. That was a joke, but you can pet them and have a look how silky they are. guys, whatever you're seeing here is called a mountain goat. So guys, this is called a mountain goat.
This is a female ostrich and this is an emu.
Both female pythons are big.
Yes, all female pythons are big. They are big in size. She is also female, you know. Her name is Champagne.
What's her name?
Champagne.
అబ్బోలో అది వస్తుంది షాంపెయిన్ ఈ షాంపామ్ వీళ్ళు జాగ్రత్త
No.
హుషారు
He'll grab it and
Yeah, right.
This is an albino python. Where you get to handle such beautiful reptiles, I say, birds of paradise.
It's a great place to interact with animals and definitely kids would love to enjoy. And it's also good learning and educative tour. So enjoy. Thanks a lot.
thank you, sir. Thank you for visiting.
Animal enthusiasts will also enjoy interacting with mammals like the meerkats, goats, donkeys, and even raccoons. Not to mention, Persian cats and horses bring charm to the farm's diverse collection of animals.
So the fish over here is called an arapaima. For those of you that can't spot it, you can take a look at the photo.
Amphibians like terrapins and snapping turtles, alongside impressive fish species like the arapaima, can be seen up close at the farm. The farm is home to an impressive array of reptiles, from the sturdy sulcata tortoise to the striking ball python, vibrant iguanas, and the unique frill lizard, each adding a touch of wild allure. Visitors can even get hands-on with some species, like gently handling a curious iguana, feeling the smooth scales of a ball python, or meeting the fascinating carpet python up close. These interactive experiences bring you closer to these incredible reptiles in a way that's both educational and exhilarating. Touching the spiky spines of an iguana or running your fingers over the smooth, soft scales of carpet python, each encounter offers a unique sensation that can only be truly appreciated up close. These tactile experiences bring a deeper connection to the creatures, to feel the contrasts of nature's textures in the most personal way. Before you leave, don't miss the aviary. It's home to colorful birds like the budgies, cocktails, rainbow lorikeets from Australia, and sun conures and monk parakeets from South America. You can let these friendly birds perch on your hand or head and even feed them personally. Make sure to grab a fantastic photo with the stunning macaws before you make your memorable exit. Whether you're captivated by the exotic birds, intrigued by the fascinating reptiles, or charmed by the playful mammals, the farm promises an unforgettable journey. It's a place where nature's wonders come alive, offering visitors a chance to learn, explore, and truly connect with the incredible diversity of wildlife. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.